Listen, I ain't got no beef, no enemies. Call all my haters motivators, cause they can't touch me. Been in this business for a minute, that's a long time. If you was looking for me, you can find me on my grind. I'm on a mission, no competition for this rap king. I bet you took my crown, it must have happened in your dreams. I'm about to make the world feel me like the last.
Greetings, YouTube. Lion unleashed back at you right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, right here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. And in today's video, YouTube, I'm super excited to bring you guys along with me as I up-pot our now 110-day-old Keitt Mango tree into a larger pot. If you guys have been following the video series on our Keitt Mango tree seedlings, you remember that we originally germinated 2 Keitt Mango tree seedlings approximately 110 days ago. One of those seedlings were actually bought by a customer in our Etsy store. And the other seedling, YouTube, that other seedling we did indeed name after our dear friend Brett, that's lyonheart84 over in the UK. I'm going to flip this camera around for you guys right now and show you guys exactly what Brett is looking like, and then show you why we are indeed about to up-pot Brett at this time. Hang tight, YouTube. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Can you guys see the tremendous amount of growth that our Keitt Mango tree seedling lyonheart84 has put on during the last 2 months since our previous video update? Doesn't he look fantastically well, YouTube? Again, our Keitt Mango tree is approximately 110 days old at this point, YouTube. And although it should actually be a little taller than what it is right now, YouTube, I'm going to show you right now why indeed it stopped growing upward and began to grow outward, YouTube. Take a look at this. Can you see that, YouTube? Those are all roots from this Keitt Mango tree seedling. This particular plant has completely root bound the soil in this pot. I'm going to take you guys over to my preparation table over here right now and show you the pot that we're indeed intending on up-potting our Keitt Mango tree into. As you can see, we have about a 3-gallon container here, YouTube, which is compared to the home that lyonheart84 currently sits in, about 4 or 5 times larger than that container. It's been long overdue time for us to actually up-pot this mango tree seedling, this mango tree. We're gonna go ahead and take care of that right now and show you how we do that right now, YouTube. Hang tight. All right, YouTube, we're back here at our preparation table. As you can see, we have our 2 containers here. We'll be using our handy Scuttles garden shovel to perform this transplant with, YouTube. So we're gonna take our container. And down here, YouTube, we have a mixture of Miracle-Gro garden soil, Miracle-Gro potting soil, and composted leaves, tree bark, and branches from our compost pile. That compost is every bit of 12, maybe 14 months old. We took all 4 of these ingredients, all 3 of these ingredients, YouTube, mixed them together well here. As you can see, our soil is moist, but not wet. And you can see all of those decayed leaves, that tree bark, all of the more coarse material in here. We also have a little of the perlite from the Miracle-Gro potting soil here. So this is a very fertile soil combination, but it's also a well-draining soil combination. That's the perfect soil combination for up-potting Brett into this larger container. We're simply gonna use our handy Scuttles garden shovel here, YouTube, and fill this container up roughly about halfway, maybe. Again, this pot is about 4 or 5 times larger than the current container that lyonheart84 currently resides in, YouTube. Just going to shake this pot a little bit to help settle the soil and take the air pockets out of it. I'm going to move our pot back over here to our preparation table here, YouTube. I'm going to pause the camera for a second, flip this pot over, remove this mango tree from this pot. I'm going to show you guys what the root ball looks like before I plant it over here in this 3-gallon container, YouTube. Hang tight. Alright, YouTube, we're back, and take a look at that root system on lyonheart84. Again, this transplant has been a long time in the making. Should have been done quite a while ago, YouTube, but nevertheless, we're going to get Lionheart situated in his new home here, YouTube. And excuse me, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Get him pretty much centered in this pot. Again, we filled our larger container about half of the way up with our potting mixture. We did that to try to keep our mango tree at about the same level in the soil as it was in this previous pot. We didn't want to bury it deeper than what it was actually planted in this previous pot, YouTube. Now we're just going to move our container back over here to our wheelbarrow here. Make sure bread is properly oriented in his new home. And we're going to backfill that container with soil, YouTube. And although Lionheart84 has indeed stagnated in upward growth during the past 2 months, YouTube, I showed you guys the root ball at the bottom of that pot, and you can see why it did indeed stop growing upward. But nevertheless, quite the specimen, YouTube, quite a healthy mango tree at this point. Again, now about 110 days old, YouTube. And there we have it. I'm gonna move this container back up to our table now and give you guys a better view of what Lionheart84 currently looks like in his new container, YouTube. As you can see, there's a lot more grow room in this container, and we're looking forward to seeing a huge growth spurt in our newly up-potted 110-day-old Keitt Mango Tree. Thanks for watching, and if indeed you currently are watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, yes indeed, yeah, YouTube. Up-potting our 110-day-old Keitt Mango Tree. Thanks for watching.
Ain't out here guessing, I ain't got no beef, no enemies. Call all my haters motivators, cause they can't touch me. Been in this business for a minute, that's a long time. If you was looking for me, you can find me on my grind. I'm on a mission, no competition for this rap king. I bet you think my grinding must have happened in your dreams. I'm about to make the world feel me like the last time. So make the microphone smoke when I say what's on my mind. It was 8 years ago when I first hit the rap scene. It was 2019 and I got the whole world listening. They gather around me to keep it one from all the heat I bring. And I tell you, so why y'all haters out there hating me? Why y'all hating? 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 Why y'all remind me of Frankie Beverly and May. So I'm taking you back when rap was real in the old days. More than a man, I'm like a lion trying to expand. And the world's against me, so I came up with a different plan. No more 9 to 5 working for the other man. And don't trust the media, my destiny is in my hand. Done came a long way from where this lion first began. Won't let nobody make me hate the color of my skin. No matter where we're from, America is where we live. Ain't not here and others, but I'ma tell it like it is. Everybody say they praying for some better days, but this world will never change until we stop the hate. Why